On a recent trip, I got to stop in and visit the Panoz factory in Hoschton, Georgia. I was delighted to see all the examples of some very rare vehicles such as the Panoz Delta Wing and the Abruzzi, but I was disappointed to discover that the factory is now on parts and service only. You cannot have a car manufactured or order one from Panoz Automotive anymore. I am glad that they have parts and service available so you can take your vehicle to them to be repaired or have a repair shop order the parts. The museum was full of both purchasable and racing vehicles. They had the Esperantes on display. They had the GTR1 GTP. The staff at the Panoz Museum was nice enough to let me to attempt to sit in one of them, and I could not fit. The cockpit is so small, and I am tall enough or large enough that I had extreme difficulty in getting in. I got 1 foot in, and that's about all. I believe it's pronounced Avezzano, but the delightful fly yellow and brilliant blue examples of this vehicle. Again, you can't purchase them anymore, but it looks like an offshoot of the Esperante series that they used to have for sale. They had the Abruzzi that they had to make in order to qualify for racing on display. That's quite an extraordinary vehicle. That was really, really interesting design. And one of the nicest things they had was a cutaway Esperante so you could see how they were built. I believe Panoz patented the extruded aluminum frame for automobiles. Not positive, but I think so. Anyway, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video.